All right, so here we go. We are going to be recording the homework assignment. So let's do this homework assignment together. Let's start with this quadrilateral ABCD, these vertices. I'm going to graph this first. So negative 4, 1 is point A. I'm going to use blue for the original. A is negative 4, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. There's A. B is negative 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. C is 0, negative 2. So 0 down 2. That's C. And D is negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. So A, B, C, and D. And so I've got this shape that looks like this. Kind of looks like it could be a kite, maybe. Or just some strange looking quadrilateral. All right, so now we're going to do each one of these times 3. So negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. 1 times 3 is 3. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 0 times 3 is 0. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. And negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And then we're going to graph these points. A is negative 12, 3. So let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. So A prime. B prime is negative 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. That's B prime. C prime is 0, negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's C prime. And D prime is negative 5, negative 15, negative 6. So 1, 2, wait, that was 12, 13, 14, negative 15, negative 6 would be right there. So there is D prime. So I'm going to connect A to B to C, over here to D, and then to, there we go. So there is number 1. Number 2. Number 2, triangle LMN with these vertices, negative 2, negative, or 2, negative 8. So we'll do the original in blue. 2, negative 8 would be 1, 2, negative 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, 1, 2, negative 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is LM 12, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then up 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very extent of it. MN is 14, negative 4. So 12, that was 12. So 13, 14, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is N. So we've got, connect these dots. Got a triangle here. All right, so now we're going to multiply each one of these by a half. So 2 times a half is 1. Negative 8 times 1 half is negative 4. 12 times a half is 6. 8 times a half is 4. We got 14 times that would be 7 and negative 2. So each of those by 1 half. All right, so now let's plot our new points. L, 1, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our new point L. Our new point M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. M. N is 7, negative 2. 6, 7, negative 2. N prime. And so that is our new one. That's the first 2 questions. Number 7 is the next one you need to do. Number 7 says graph the image using this scale factor. We don't know what the points are, so we're going to have to, I'm just going to identify what they are just by this. So this is 0, 1. T is, let's see, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. And then U would be 2, 1. So I just identified what these 3 coordinates are so that I can multiply each by 4. So I'll do this first one here. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. And U, 2 times 4 is 8, 1 times 4 is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my S prime. T prime, 12, 12. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So T prime. And then U prime is 8, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4 U prime. So there is our new shape. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Number 9. Graph this. All right. So we have to do the same thing. I'm going to get the coordinates here first. Okay. So my origins here. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So this one is 3, negative 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 12, 6. D. Sorry. D. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we're all the way down to 13, 14, 15. So this would be 9, negative 15. This is 12, negative 6. I don't think I put that on there. E, 1, 2, 3, and then 15, 12. So this one would be 3, negative 12. All right. The scale factor is a third, so you multiply each of these by 1/3. 3 times a third is 1, negative 3 times, that'd be negative 1. C would be 12 times a third is 4. That would be negative 2. This one would be 3 and negative 5. This one would be 1 and negative 4. That's 6. There we go. All right, hopefully I'm doing this quick. I hope I did my math right. So B prime, 1, negative 1 would be there. C prime, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 2 would be right there. Prime. D prime, 3, negative 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's D prime. And then E prime, 1, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E prime. Okay, so there's that shape. Okay, let's see what we got. 11, 12. That's it. 2 questions left. Identify the scale factor questions. I don't know if you remember this, but I said I think the easiest way to do this is just to pick a point and look at how one of the coordinates changes. So I'm going to pick this H. So my original H is at 1, 3, 0. That's my original H. And the new H is at, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 0. So that's a times 4, 3 times 4, 0 times 4, 0, right? So it's a times 4 situation. So your scale factor would be 4. You could have picked any of these points. For me, I just pick one that seems easiest to me. And you just look at one change, okay? Which brings us to this last one here. And so I'm going to do the same thing, okay? Let's just pick, I'll pick V. I don't know why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's actually right here. 14, 15, 15, 1, 2, 3, 15, 3. So the original V is 15, 3. The new V, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up 2. So V prime, 10, 2. All right, now this is a weird one, okay? So the question that I'm asking here is, this times something equals 10. If you're not for sure just by looking at it, this is a weird one because you might be going, there's nothing you can multiply 15 by to get a 10. This is where this amazing little skill comes in to be a little handy. It's called algebra. I know that 15 times something equals 10. I need to figure out what this something is. So in algebra, the way you write that is you go 15 times something equals 10. And so then you go, okay, well, I gotta figure out what the something is. So you divide, okay, 15 and the 15 canceled, leaving me with this 10 over 15. I'm going to simplify that down. 5 goes into both of those this many times. This is what your scale factor is. Now, if you don't believe me, get your calculator out and do 15 and then hit times. So on your calculator screen, it looks like that. Put a parenthesis and put a 2, hit divided by, hit 3, right? That'll do that times 2/3, close it up, hit equals, and it will equal 10. Okay, so that is your homework assignment. Hopefully that helps you get through this assignment, and you'll be ready for Monday.